Now, we don't usually do short videos based on a single product, but this one is actually going to serve as a bit of an extension to our print and prime video. And that is because this ultrasonic cutter from Hozo has been the perfect addition to our workflow. This has become our favourite tool for getting perfect prints ready for painting. This is the NeoBlade Ultrasonic Cutter from Hozo, and it's been the easiest way to remove small annoying supports like here within the hair of this lady model. It also has different blade options, which is super easy to swap out and find the perfect one for your needs. Parker wanted one that could get to the in-betweens of the hair strands, so he chose a new blade to switch out to. You simply pull this small tool from the bottom section to undo the blade, then use this magnet to hold the blade safely, ready to pull out. You can also use it to help you place the new blade safely back into the cutter. This blade choice helped him get in between the hair strands much better. If you've seen our previously released prep and prime video, you'll also know that we use milliput to fill holes, and this NeoBlade does an amazing job of cutting wet milliput flush to the printed surface. That's right, you don't need to wait for it to cure. Just use your cutter to slice off flush to the print, and if you get it clean enough, you could even do away with the sanding process after. Sometimes he'll use some water to help with a final bit of smoothing. Finally, if you watched our previous video, you'll also know that we use brake sphere supports to help avoid support holes. If you want to know some more about that, check the links below for some more information on how to use these types of supports. And again, the NeoBlade slices these off with ease. We still followed this process with some wet sanding though, ultimately giving us the perfect surface ready to paint. If you want to grab one for yourself, we have left a link down below in the description. They are also due to drop a sanding tool very soon, which we are hoping we will get to try out. If you've tried this ultrasonic cutter for yourself already, we would love to know how you have found it, so please drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching this super short and to the point video. We will catch you next time.